CareGate AI, Explainable Discharge Reconciliation. Discharge is a critical handoff. Plans, medications, tests, and referrals are spread across disconnected documents, and small gaps can slip through unnoticed. CareGate reviews the packet before a patient leaves. It extracts text locally, runs OCR only on scanned pages, then sends structured text to Gemini for one extraction pass. Every stage of the discharge diagnosis, medication, lab, referral, ownership, instructions is checked against what's actually documented. Clicking into a step reveals the extracted facts and any related findings behind it. Every finding traces back to its exact source. Here, CareGate flagged a follow-up test with no documented owner, and this is the evidence it's based on, highlighted directly on the original page. Nothing is asserted without a pointer to where it came from. The clinician can instantly assign an accountable care provider, such as Dr. Meera Patel, ensuring no follow-up test is orphaned during transition. A reviewer can assign an owner, and the case correctly stays review required until it's actually resolved, not just assigned. Once resolved, with a note documenting the decision, the finding updates and the case moves one step closer to sign-off. When opening evidence for medication findings, CareGate displays the exact source text from both documents side by side, giving clinicians complete confidence before taking action. CareGate also catches when two documents disagree here. The discharge summary and the prescription list different dosages for the same medication. Both sources are shown side by side. Resolving each item logs a permanent audit note in the review trail, giving compliance teams complete transparency. Once every finding is resolved or overridden with a documented reason, the case flips to ready for clinician sign-off. When hospital staff upload an updated discharge packet, CareGate automatically ingests the new documents and generates an updated version. If a revised packet comes in later, CareGate compares it against the previous version and shows exactly what changed: a dosage correction, an extended follow-up window, a referral that was quietly dropped, and rechecks whether each issue is now resolved. The clinician reviews the version diffs, resolves any newly flagged items, and confirms version 2 is fully reconciled. CareGate doesn't make clinical decisions. It makes sure every discharge action is complete, owned, and traceable, and it never lets a resolved finding erase what the original paperwork actually said. Built-in safety guardrails emphasize that CareGate is an assistant to clinician judgment, not an automated decision-maker. Built with Codex GPT 5.6 for extraction and deterministic rules for every decision, explainable by design.